Docs gang. How are we doing today? I hope you're good. Guys, today I was doing a little searching on the internet and I found this nice little sample that I wanted to flip. I'll show you guys that in a minute, but I wanted to flip it a certain way. Now, normally this sample would probably go good in like a Southside type beat or maybe a Metro Boomin type beat, but I was like, you know what? Done enough of those. I want to go back to the UK drill scene. And the reason why is because, well, I just did a live beat critique, which you could join by joining my Discord. Make sure you join that, link's in the description. There was a lot of people sending UK drill beats, and I was like, these are some fire drill beats, and I'm like, I can make drill beats too, maybe even better. So I was like, you know what, let me do it. Let me show the people who's the drill master. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna flip some samples into drill beats, or maybe just one. I'm probably not gonna do multiple, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, so don't forget to make sure you like the video, okay? It's gonna help me a lot. Don't forget to also comment on videos I should do in the future. You know what I'm saying? I wanna hear what you guys got to say. So comment on videos I should do in the future. Well, also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? That's mandatory, all right? Oh, yeah, don't forget to turn on post notifications too, all right? Hit that little bell when you subscribe, okay? It's not hard. Just do it. Come on. You want to know when I upload, okay? I promise you, okay? We got some bangers coming in the future, okay? And we also got some merch dropping, you know what I'm saying? If you're in the Discord, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, make sure you look out for that. But anyway, I'm talking way too much, so let's just get into this, all right? Okay, so I found this playlist. I'm just gonna go through the samples. This is the first sample that I found that was pretty cool. Sounds like this. I'm gonna try and turn that into UK drill, but if I can't, I'm gonna look for some backups though, just in case I can't. But yeah, and if first comes to worst, I'm just gonna make my own melody, so it is what it is. But yeah, let's look for some more samples, shall we? Alright guys, so we are back in FL Studio, and guys, let's just say I found a gold mine, okay? I found a gold mine, alright? But let's just get into it. I don't know what, let's reread the structure real quick. Let's just get into it, alright? Samples, UK drill, alright, so I'm just gonna put the one I want. I'm sorry, it's this one. This is the one that I found that I was like, you know what, I'm getting this, I'm using this, alright. Alright, I think we might have to switch the sample, guys. This is why I have backups, alright? Okay, this one's a little cooler. We might have to add a counter melody to this one. Let's just get these on beat. Just get these on beat, because that kind of sounds fire. Okay. I think we've reset, guys. All right, let's try this 808s again. Let's get rid of everything else. What the hell? What is going on with my slides, bro? What?
2,000 years later.
All right, the drum pattern is cool, but now it's gonna be kind of weird because we're gonna go back to the melody and we're gonna add to it because the melody right now it's kind of boring. So we're gonna add some stuff. We're gonna open up Omnisphere real quick and we're gonna add some. I don't know what we're gonna do honestly, but we'll see what happens. Oops, no. All right, cool. Nice little melody. Let's change the sound because this one sucks. Oh, this one's all right. This sounds all right. Hold up. Oh, we gotta mess with this melody a little bit more though. Hold up. Let's add an art maybe. All right, let's add reverb on the external part of this. Okay, so I like that sound, but it's just, I don't like how degraded it sounds when I half speed it. I don't like that. I don't know why FL Studio or Omnisphere, that happens with Omnisphere so often, but. All right, relax, damn. Okay.